is a place high in the Sierra Madre Oriental of Mexico, a place in the very heart of the state of Hidalgo, a special place that for 2 centuries has enjoyed links with Britain. It is officially called the Comarca Minera de Hidalgo, but we know it as Mexico's Little Cornwall. The first Cornishmen arrived at Real de Monte in June 1824 as employees of the British Real de Monte Mining Company, beginning a process of labour migration that continued into the 20th century. By the late 19th century, a sizable Cornish colony was centred on Pachuca. The descendants of those mine workers live in the region today, providing an enduring link to Cornwall. The remains of this migration can be seen everywhere, in the relict mining landscape, British-style architecture, non-conformist places of worship and burial, and a vibrant cultural heritage of football, music and pasties. Real de Monte is twinned with Redruth in Cornwall, the only place in Mexico twinned with anywhere in the UK. Every autumn, the towns hold a pasty festival, and delegates from both twinning associations travel to join in. Real de Monte is famous for baking the world's largest pasty. Together, we celebrate Mexico's Little Cornwall, a vibrant part of our Cornish diaspora.
Ogi, ogi, ogi! Ogi, ogi, ogi! Viva Mexico!
Viva Mexico!
Que no be speaking!